When celebrating special occasions and festive holidays, we all think of decorations to make them even more special, don't we? I want to tell you about a popular form of decoration in my culture, Rangoli. Traditionally, Rangoli is an art of decoration drawn on the floor or entrance of homes. It is thought to bring in good luck and prosperity to the house and to welcome guests in. Some mothers in India do this activity every morning or on special festive occasions like Diwali, Onam, and Pongal, to name a few, and using rice powder, flower petals, colored sand, colorful beans, etc. Come join us to learn more about the art of Rangoli.